What is up, guys? Gaming Family here, and today we are doing a screen replacement and pretty much refurbishment on this iPod 5th gen. Alright, let's get started. This iPod I got for $20 off of eBay. It didn't have a screen come with it. Actually, no, I didn't. This one didn't have a screen come with it. So what I did was I went ahead and I bought this spare iPod for parts for also $21. And today I'm going to use the screen and not the front bezel because I think this one's better. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Let's first go ahead and get this open. What you'll need is either one of these, or you can use a pick. So what you're gonna do, go ahead and grab this, get into the side enough, and then just push up. And then you take the pick, you go around it, push up. Make sure you be careful though, because you don't want to snap the little picks in there. There we go. Alright. Oh shoot, those are already disconnected. So normally you would pull up and you would disconnect the battery cable, and then you just flop it over to the side. You pull up the hard drive, you pop the little black thing, and then you can go ahead and wiggle this out. There we go. So now that that's disconnected, now we'll move to the next one right here. What you need to do, you need to go ahead and pop this black piece. Push that up and out. And then we're gonna take out all the screws on the side. There we go. Alright, now that we got that off, we just go ahead and we pull our screen out. Alright, this looks pretty good. So let's go ahead, we'll put this to the side. And now, let's go ahead and take the screws out on this one. Then we can go ahead, slide the screen in, and then we can go ahead and, it's being stubborn, you gotta watch out for this button right here. Go ahead and put the top on. Alright, that looks good. We'll go ahead and connect it up. Alright, push that little black thing down. And make sure it's all the way in there. Yep. Alright, let me get this tape off. Alrighty, now let's go ahead and put all the screws back in. Alright, now we're going to put the hard drive back in real quick so we could test it out. Alright. Oh, I forgot to plug this in. Gotta pull up this black flap. There we go. Now we can put the hard drive back down and connect the battery. Alright. Let me grab my charger and let's see if we get any life. Oh, that's not good. Okay. Something's wrong with the screen. I'll be right back. Okay guys, it's been about a week or two now, and I finally got a second replacement iPod with a good screen this time. This iPod, I think has a bad hard drive cable, but I'm not too sure. But everything else is a little rough on it. But that will be another restoration for another video. Let's go ahead, let's get into installing the screen. Now I already showed you guys how to do this full screen replacement and how to put all the screws and everything back. So I'm just gonna speed through this all. So yeah, enjoy the little time lapse I have here. Alright guys, I fixed it. Let's go ahead and close it up. Shoot. I'm not sure what it's getting stuck on. There we go. Let's go ahead, flip a switch, and oh, maybe it's dead. Plug it in. There we go, there's the Apple logo. Cool. Wait for it to turn on. Take a while. on. There we go. All right. Music, playlist. All right, and it's full music. Cool. All right, guys, that's gonna be it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.